This video, I'm going to be making the bows from the fused plastic tablecloths that I made in another video. I'll put the link to that video in the description in case you missed it, and there'll also be one at the end of the video. And before I get started, I do want to add that these can be done in any color vinyl tablecloth that you can get. It may seem silly that I'm so excited over these tablecloths, but I have done so many things with them that I just cannot wait to share. And the ribbon fabric that I'm using today was from red vinyl tablecloths fused together. So these are the 3 bows that I'm going to be making, and each bow has 2 layers. So I need to make a template for the actual size of the layers that I want. So I just cut a piece of cardboard to the length that I would want each bow to be. So I needed 2 size pieces of cardboard so my bows would be consistent. If you're just making one bow, you can skip the template part because there's no reason for it. So then I just wrap my fabric around the template, cut it to size, and then slide the template out. And there's a couple different ways that you can gather the center. And this could also be done with a zip tie. Twine is just what I had closest to me, so it's what I used. One way is to gather the center and fan fold it and then fasten it with a stapler and then go around it with some string or ribbon or whatever you have. And the other method is easier on bigger bows, and if you don't have a stapler, it could be done on any size, but I found it to be easier to fuse the middle of the bigger bows. And this would be an alternative to using the stapler to fasten the middle. So once I found my center, I sandwiched it between parchment paper and just fused the crease of the center. This is more foolproof than using staplers and more long-term. I didn't have to worry about anything coming loose. It also allowed me to cut the shape of the bow better, so I had less folds in the middle or creases to worry about gathering. So I did this for my bottom layer bows where I needed a bigger one. And before I forget, the size of these bows is between 16 and 18 inches wide, and they're going on columns that are 24 inches wide. This fabric is so easy to work with. It even holds its shape better than any wired ribbon that I've worked with. It has just the right amount of stiffness to be shaped in so many different ways. And it is so versatile. The possibilities are endless. My favorite thing about this fabric is it can be made into any size, shape, length, width that you want for whatever you're doing. If you need a piece that's longer, the 2 ends can be fused together and then you have one big long piece. Another appealing factor is that it's waterproof, that it can be used for a long period of time, outdoors, without any worries. Once I've completed all the sections for the bows that I'm making, I attach my small layer to my big layers with more twine. So I just repeated that step until I had my 3 bows. So then I took my long piece of ribbon and just tied it on itself around the columns. I could have used zip ties for this. I didn't even have to tie it, but I just wanted to see if this worked, and this is how it stayed the whole time it was up. And then I just took the twine and I fastened it around the center tie part. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe.